Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for cheesy or gratin potatoes. They're so delicious and so easy to make, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven to 400. Then you need a baking dish 11 by 7. So you'll need some russet potatoes, thinly sliced. So it's this size, okay? You'll need some cheddar, shredded cheddar, and shredded mozzarella cheese. And I have some parmesan cheese mixed. You'll need some flour. You'll need salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. You'll also need some milk and some sour cream. So next you're going to take your baking dish, which is sprayed with the cooking spray, and just start putting the slices of potato inside the dish. So once you have all the potatoes inside the baking dish, just set it off to the side for a second. You're going to take your milk and your sour cream, and we're going to combine all the ingredients inside the milk. The flour, doesn't matter what goes first. And then the salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. And just mix it well. So once you have everything mixed, you're just going to take your potatoes and you're going to pour the mixture all over the potatoes. So once you have it all poured all over the potatoes, take some foil. You're going to cover it, and it's going into the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then I'll show you the next step. So I just took the potatoes out of the oven. I'm going to remove the foil, and then you're going to take your shredded cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and parmesan, and you're just going to put the cheese on top of the potatoes. So once you put the cheese on top of the potatoes, it's going back into the oven without the foil for another 30 minutes. And I'll show you when it's all cooked. So here you have it, cheesy or gratin potatoes. They're so delicious. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.